If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? I hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this video to show you the importance of knowing when to cut your losses when trading on Nadex. So here we have a trade that I sent to the shadow group for the USD CAD pair for the Canadian versus the US dollar. So basically here, guys, at about 6:40 p.m. On the 13th, so that is in this hour here, just towards the end of this hour, I sent an alert saying that I'm getting in for a 1.2820 sell. And I got in at $40. That means our max profit on that trade would have been about $40, and then minus the $2 fees. So we're looking at a nice $38 profit there. And basically, I came to this conclusion of how I felt the trade would end up by looking at this here, right at the same level as this previous short-term resistance. And then, of course, we got this level here with the other wick. And as you can see, it lines up perfectly. By this point in the candle, we had already had this previous long wick candle, and then we were already retracing on that current candle as well. In conjunction with this volume divergence, the trend's going up, the volume's going down, leading me to believe that there would be a reversal on this particular pair. So we got in for a daily contract for the 3 p.m. contract for the next day, just so that way we would have enough time for it to make its move and go down. But as you can see, as we progress here, we did get that move down. So at this point, we are in profit. This was late in the night at about 1 a.m. And then as you can see, we actually have a rebounce back up. So when I woke up the next day and I seen we had another stop here at the resistance, I felt good about that. But at the same time, when I woke up is actually this hour of the candle. So let me just scroll down to where I sent that alert. So it was at 7:51 a.m., which is just at the end of this hour. And as you can see, we got out just at the right time because we were about to see another breakout. The distance between these gaps was closing, and we weren't getting lower. We were actually getting higher lows, leading me to believe that there would be a breakout continuation. So luckily, the timing was kind of lucky there because we were going to hold until 3 p.m., which in this case would have been disaster, but we were able to cut losses at 52.50. So realistically, guys, we only lost about $10 there. So we avoided a total loss excellently. And then about 2 hours later at 10:20 a.m., I sent an alert for the US Tech 100 on a daily contract expiring in about 6 hours. We got in at the 15904 strike for a buy position. It was an out of the money contract, so we only spent $43 to enter that trade. And I'm not even joking, guys. Only about 9 minutes later, we were able to scalp out profits at $61. So not only did we make up for the loss on the USD CAD, which we were already able to cut at a partial minimal loss, we were also able to end with a profit over the next 4-hour span. So, and this is just the bonus trades, guys. This is not counting our regular sessions that we have at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays. So this is just bonus contracts we have in between. So we were able to make up for that loss and then profit on that as well, on the US Tech 100. So I just wanted to share with you guys the importance of knowing when to cut losses, especially on these binary options contracts, guys, because these can be more risky than regular investing. And you definitely want to know when to cut loss, when to take profits. And like I said, on the US Tech 100, we had already reached almost, my profit goal was 65, but we were already almost there in just 10 minutes, guys. Why not take the profits now, And, that turned out to be the best move for us in that case as well. So if you want to trade with us, guys, check out the links in the description below. As I stated a couple of videos ago, we also have an Instagram account now, so go follow us over there. And I look forward to seeing you around, and stay safe out there. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together.